Hey guys, this is Rade again. Today we would like to explain how you can mount the 690 fairing. First step, you need to remove the OEM headlight, and it's quite easy. Here are two bolts on each side and you just take it out, disconnect the OEM connector and disconnect the turn signals. Then you see this, don't get scared. You have to disconnect all the electric things. And you first take out these two bolts to remove the speedo holder. Everything what is from top, from handlebars, put behind them, so you have more space. Here you remove the cables here, and here is one necessary thing. This is the only change you have to do to the bike. You need to cut this with some sharp knife and get the harness out. Take the upper clamp and the M5 bolt, and you need to lift up the plastic part and you hook it like this. There is already now turn handlebars on the other side, and just catch it, yeah, don't tie it, just catch it, and do the same on the other side. Take the OEM speedo and mount it on the tower. You need to use also the OEM grommets and the OEM bolts. Take the M6x40 and the nut and put it in your rear pocket. Yeah, it's a good tip. Now you take the harness bundle and carefully make it wider here. Yeah, and you put it like this inside, and now you lift it carefully so you don't destroy the harness. Now you take the bolt from your pocket, try to align the holes. Sometimes it's a bit of play. Look, and now you take the low clamps and again the M40, M6x40 and the nut again to your rear pocket. Now you lift it all up. Lift it all up. You can use your shoulder to secure it. You put your clamps, put the clamps in there, and you again carefully about the harness, and you lift it back. Yeah. Now I take the bolt from my pocket. I try to align the holes. I look from the other side. It always helps. And there. Now something would look scary, but it's not actually. Important thing: make sure the harness from the speedometer, it's up the bundle here because it's not really long, and connect it as a very first thing. Next, take all the connectors that goes from the handlebars and put and just prepare them here. Inside, yeah, so like this. And now actually you cannot make mistake, yeah, because it's only one type of connector each. Take the bracket and the lights. Just to be clear, the upper light has to be low beam, is shorter, and the low beam is longer and sits on low position. Here on these bolts you can adjust the height of the direction of the light up and down. Take also two bolts M5x16, put them again in the pocket. First connect the OEM headlight, yeah, and also make sure that the turn signals connectors are somewhere where you can easily reach them. Yeah, put it like this. Take the bolt and just by hand, don't use any tool, because you have to be soft with the thread. Yeah, and now you secure with the other one. Now you take the upper shield holder and two M5x16 and two nuts, and you can tie it immediately. Put the rim here, and secondly you need to the connection part in here. How you get it there? You have it is left and right. You have to take down the side panels. From the rear side there are three screws, so remove the middle screw and hook there in this hole hook there this fairing holder. Now you have to assemble the fairing. The shield goes under the side panels. You take the rubber nut and the M5 bolt. You assemble here together. Here are 6 bolts and the rubber nuts from the other side on the carbon. Okay. So now you go from one side to the other side. Above it, and now I'm a bit cheating with the quick fasteners while you will have the bolts there, and it's actually done. We are finished, guys. You have F2 fairing on your 690. You're getting actually 3 benefits: very strong LED lights, great wind protection, and you have space for your navigation, which I think is worth it to have it on your bike. So when you have it installed, enjoy the riding.